iOS 18. Customize your iPhone lock screen buttons. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the buttons on your iPhone's lock screen in iOS 18. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Swipe down from the top left corner to access your lock screen. Once you're on the lock screen, tap and hold anywhere on the screen until it zooms out. Then tap on the Customize button at the bottom. Next, choose Lock Screen to begin editing. Now look at the two icons at the bottom of your lock screen. These are the customizable buttons. Tap the minus sign on either of the two icons to remove the current shortcut. Once removed, you'll see a plus icon appear in its place. Now tap on the plus icon, and you'll get a menu of different shortcuts to choose from. Pick the one you want. I'm selecting the camera, but you can go for options like flashlight, do not disturb, or even voice memo. After that, just tap Done at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's how you can easily customize the lock screen buttons on your iPhone with iOS 18. A quick way to make your lock screen more useful and more you. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips.